So if you do your research, you're going to find thousands and thousands, if not millions, of white papers of declassified CIA documents where at least 30% of it is treasonous at best. You're going to, if you buy some of the books from the elites of the world, you are going to be stalked and shunned to find out that they are writing, bragging about killing us off the earth. You, me, and our whole family. And then you have like declassified information like Operation Northwoods in the 1960s, the CIA's plan to fly airplanes into our buildings and kill American citizens. Why George Bush was in charge of the CIA. Their documents, same time, George Bush. And when his son became president, airplanes flew into our buildings. While he's reading My Pet Goat. So, it shocks me. It blows my mind away. On how they could just keep hitting us, hurting us. And the American people do nothing about it. Like it's right in front of their face. We need to, as truthers, come together, get petitions going. We, the people, not the government, not Homeland Security. They've already failed the American people. They've already have proven that they are treasonous at best, and their interest is not for you and me, your family, your kids, your mom, your dad. So we, the people, need to rise up together to help bring down this corrupt system and get back to the Constitution. I mean, you know, when there's evidence upon evidence upon evidence upon evidence upon evidence upon evidence of so much treason. They don't like you or me. They want to kill us. And I'm not going to let that happen. I'll do everything I can. Everything I can, and all my whole soul and heart. Try to rise on up. Wake the people up. And let the people, you and the people, all of us together, decide if we're going to allow them to kill us off the earth or prosecute them. They're not going to walk. We're either going to go along with it or we're going to prosecute them. Because the time of reckoning has begun. I'm just tired of everything they're doing to us. It's just like out of control. Smart meters. And I guarantee you they're sending a low frequency of microwaves to your walls just to give you a little bit of cancer. We're under a third generation soft kill. They're not trying to kill everyone because we would see it. It's a slow soft kill over 75 years. I think we're already like on year 30 or 40. Their plan is by 75 years to have the regular family, basic American family, will have about a 70% cancer rate. Now that, my friends, is unacceptable. What say you? Thank you.